Hello, and welcome back for another installment of Sloppy's DIY, where today we will be focusing on fixing this dang door. You may have seen in a previous video where we repair this door. This door does need to be repaired again, but today we will be focusing on repairing this door. Again, my name is Sloppy, and I'm about to this up so you don't have to. There's a screw. A certain screw. That screw. That seems to be the culprit. I already tightened it up earlier this week. So it seems like maybe the wood or whatever particle board, I don't know what this crap's made of, is wearing out. So let's just pull this whole door out really quick. This is the screw. And this is the other screw. Okay, they do appear to be the same. That's good, I guess. No. There's still, something to dig into down here. So, there's still a little something to dig into up here. I don't see what the issue is. Maybe I'll just stick some wood glue or wood filler and popsicle sticks. I'm tired, it's late. Maybe I'll put some toothpicks and wood glue in there and kind of just fill in that hole, give the screw a little something to grab onto. So, I've got my Gorilla brand wood glue and some Celebration colored toothpicks. I'm gonna see how many of these I can fit into here. Because essentially what I'm doing is I'm just refilling the wood. I don't know how I somehow managed to grab all the same color. Okay, about 3 blue ones will fit in there. Not that the other colors are like a different size or anything like that. Now this wood glue, it's been sitting in the garage all winter in like literally 0-degree weather. So I hope it still works. I don't know what this stuff's made of. This could be bird poop for all I know. But essentially, you're gonna take your adhesive, or I'm gonna take my adhesive. You can do whatever you want in this situation. But if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're trying to figure out what you should do. And what I'm gonna do is get these 3 little toothpicks and my super janked up, old, runny, clumpy Gorilla glue. And I'm going to stick it all together. Just right into the hole there. Then I'm gonna leave it alone for, let's read the bottle, 20 to 30 minutes. So in 20 to 30 minutes, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna slice off the ends of these toothpicks. I'm actually gonna probably hammer them in a little bit. Now, I could use a hammer, but I already have a drill, and I already broke them. All right, you know what? We'll just break them off now. We'll break them off now. I'm gonna clean my hands. We'll come back in 30 minutes, and we'll try to screw this back in and see how good that works. All right, and that is what that looks like there. Let's see what I can get done. That ain't going nowhere. That is a bad boy for life. If you enjoyed this video or found it valuable, whether it be educational or entertainment, please remember to like and subscribe.